The BEASTCOM Q5 Pro gaming PC is built to dominate, both in competitive gameplay and high-performance multitasking. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this computer tower in the description below at the latest price. With a powerhouse AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor running at up to 5 GHz and 16 threads, this PC is engineered to give you unmatched responsiveness across games, creative tasks, and intensive workloads. At the heart of the Q5 Pro is raw performance. With 6 advanced cores backed by AMD's next-gen architecture, it's designed to keep pace with today's most demanding AAA titles and creative software. Whether you're editing high-res video, managing large files, or live streaming gameplay, the Q5 Pro delivers without breaking a sweat. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 8GB graphics card, you get access to ray tracing, DLSS 3, and AI-powered upscaling for ultra-smooth visuals in 4K HDR. From cinematic lighting to silky frame rates, every scene looks and feels more immersive. This system comes with a massive 32 GB of high-speed RAM, allowing you to run multiple applications, browser tabs, and background processes without slowdown. Add to that a 1 TB NVMe SSD and you're looking at blazing fast boot times, near-instant loading, and plenty of storage for your game library and creative projects. With Windows 11 Pro pre-installed and ready to launch, you're not just getting a high-end machine, you're stepping into a full-featured workstation that's optimized from the start. The Q5 Pro isn't just powerful, it looks the part, too. A full-view tempered glass panel showcases the internal RGB cooling fans, which not only keep your rig cool under pressure but also light up your setup with customizable flair. It's the kind of desktop that commands attention even before the power button is pressed. Wi-Fi 5 capability ensures smooth online gameplay and streaming, while USB and expansion ports give you full flexibility for peripherals and future upgrades. BEASTCOM has built this PC for more than just gaming, it's made for creators, professionals, and anyone who demands performance without compromise. Whether you're climbing ranked ladders, editing 4K footage, or building your dream setup, the Q5 Pro gaming PC stands ready. It's not just another tower. It's a statement machine, ready to take your game and your grind to the next level.